Let's get to cooking. Today I'm going to share with you homemade no-bake cheesecake, a family favorite. For this recipe, it is simple. You will just need cream cheese, a can of sweetened condensed milk, lemon juice, of course, a pie crust, and a topping. So to start, you want to add 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, which has softened at room temperature, into a pot. Then add in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk to your softened cream cheese, making sure to get every drop in the can. Once you have those two ingredients in your large pot, get a blender and start blending this mixture up. You want to blend this long enough until the cream cheese and the sweetened condensed milk have incorporated really well and there are no remaining lumps. So what you're looking for is this beautiful, smooth, and velvety consistency. Once you have this, go ahead and slowly add in 1/4 cup of lemon juice and continue mixing that until it is well incorporated and smooth. That is going to give you that perfect tangy bite. Now the batter is complete, so it's time to add it into our 8-inch graham cracker crust. Smooth it out and refrigerate it for 4 hours. At that point, it will be nice, set, and ready to eat. So after the 4 hours have passed, go ahead, get it out of the refrigerator, and cut a piece. Always start out small, but definitely don't hesitate to enjoy a second slice. Just look at how good and set this no-bake cheesecake is. Now you can add any topping of your choice, whether it be apples, cherries, blueberries, or even strawberries. But for this one, I will be adding cherry pie filling or pie topping. So there you have it, the perfect slice of no-bake cheesecake, Southern Appalachian style. Start with a small slice, top it with your favorite topping, and you have the perfect dessert for any meal, whether it be a holiday, family gathering, or simply a sweet treat that you're wanting to fix up for your family. I hope you enjoy and can't wait to hear what you think.